Sorry. Order you one, because you can't have mine. So here we are again with the in-shower revitalizing body lotion in our new Pure Nature Skin So Soft line. So here's the most important part of your instructions. Turn the water off before you use this. You don't want to wash the whole thing down the drain, and just use a little bit. A little goes a long way because you're going to layer this. This goes under whatever your other body cream that goes with our set. It goes under this. It's just to keep you from drying your skin out before you get to do the more serious moisturization. I'm going to put the link below so you can get your own bottle because you can't have mine. So here's your important instructions for the in-shower revitalizing body lotion from our new Pure Nature Skin So Soft shower line. Turn the water off. Use just a little bit. A little goes a long way. This is just going to seal in any moisture so that you're not starting out dry. Don't use the whole bottle after your first shower, and do not let your kids get a hold of it. If you're going to let them use it, you put the amount that they need in their hand, because they will use the whole bottle. Ask me how I know. Here it is. The in-shower revitalizing body lotion. You gotta get some, because you can't have mine.